Hi, everyone, and thank you for tuning into my channel. Today, I'm in Castleford Reserve with Pulte Homes here in Matthews, North Carolina. We're approximately 1 minute away from Waverly, driving distance. What I love about Pulte Homes is that they are a quality builder. They're going to give you quality luxury features with every floor plan that they have. So take a look.
I left my phone at my brother's place. It's not my fault, don't walk away, 'cause I don't quite know what you're running from. 'Cause all my friends, they think I'm fun. You take yourself too seriously. I don't wanna hear you say we waste our time. I'm You're the one who's going home to be all alone, watching cooking shows. You take yourself too seriously. I'm fine. I left my keys at my cousin's house. He says I need to leave you 'cause you're bringing me down. And you're all worked up 'cause I got home late. You'll hold this night against me till 3008. You take yourself too seriously. I don't wanna hear you say we waste our time. I'm You're the one who's going home to be all alone, watching cooking shows. You take yourself too seriously. I'm fine. You kill me when I'm wrong and you kill me when I'm right, but you know it wouldn't kill you if you tried to be nice. Stop making me choose between you and Fortnite. Now I'm telling you, you take yourself too seriously. I don't wanna hear you say we waste our time. You're the one who's going home to be all alone, watching cooking shows. You take yourself too seriously. I'm fine. You should know I'm fine. Oh, I'm fine, I'm fine.
so much for tuning into my channel. If you haven't already, give me a thumbs up for the video to say that you like it, and don't forget to subscribe. And also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can get notification on every new video that I post. I'm in new communities daily, and every week I post a home every Wednesday.